Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert an area chart on your WPS spreadsheet on your PC or computer. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert an area chart on your WPS spreadsheet on your computer? I'm just going to share. First of all, just enter the data and select the data you just need to create as chart. So then you just need to click on the insert option on the top and just click on the chart option. So after clicking on the chart, you just want to change to the area chart. And here you will see a three different type of area chart, like 100% is scattered area or scattered area, and the first was the area. So I just going to choose this second option here and click on the use option. So now you found the chart has been inserted here. You can just place wherever you just needed by clicking on moving the chart title or whatever you just needed. And this option can change the quick element and quick layout like this, like this, like this, like this. If you just move data like a movie COD and also CS1, 2, 3, you can just also edit the title, name, everything here. And now you just want to have a customization option like this, like this, like this, like this. Of course, you just need like this. You can just choose it from this option. Next, you just can choose the color options like for the wave of the things. If you just need a single color, you can just use this option or two. And the third one was the filter, and this was a setting. If you just needed a gradient color, you can just choose this option by using this light color like orange or no fill or gradient like that. This is how you just insert an area chart on your WPS spreadsheet on your computer. I think this video helped a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.